Grilled pork chops. Ingredients: 1/4 cup honey, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, ½ teaspoon red pepper flakes, 8½ inch bone-in pork chops, about 3 ounces each, salt and freshly ground black pepper. Directions: begin by making the marinade. In a small bowl, whisk together the honey, oil, vinegar, cumin and red pepper flakes. Easy, right? Sprinkle both sides of the pork chops with salt and pepper and place in the resealable plastic bag with the marinade. Let rest on the counter for 1 hour. That's easy. Heat the grill or grill pan over medium heat. Remove the pork chops from the bag and lightly sprinkle with salt and pepper. Place on the grill and cook until the pork chop releases from the grill, about 4 minutes. Flip and cook on the other side for another 3 minutes.